Dear students, good morning. We are learning changing of active into passive voice of interrogative sentence. And next, in a interrogative sentence, some special questions we say today. For example, who wrote this letter? It is clear that this letter is object and who here is the subject. Who wrote, किसने लिखा, या who सब्जेक्ट का काम कर रहा है और दिस लेटर यहाँ ऑब्जेक्ट है. अब हमें इसको चेंज करना है पैसिव वॉइस में. इसके लिए दो तरीके हैं. वी चेंज इट इनटू टू वेज. फर्स्ट, बाय होम. First, we by whom was this letter written, and second was who was this letter written by. दो तरीके हैं जिससे हम इस सेंटेंस को चेंज कर सकते हैं. एक और एग्जांपल देखते हैं. Which boy told you object, which boy is the subject. We change in it by two method. By we use by at first, by which boy, where he told, and second method, which boy were you told by. हम देख लिए कि इस तरह के सेंटेंस को हम दो तरीके से चेंज कर सकते हैं. बाई पहले लगा करके, बाई लास्ट में लगा करके. बाई पहले लगाएंगे तो which boy was, which boy were you told, and next method which boy were you told by. Now we will learn imperative sentence. Imperative sentence contains order, request, suggestion, and we change into passive voice. We use a special word for this, and first of all we recognize or which type of this sentence is, which type of imperative sentence is. Command, request, order or suggestion. We say from example. This sentence contains order, command, suggestion, request, or advice. This sentence starts with verb and last at full stop. Open the door. This sentence is clearly an order. We make this sentence by two methods. First, let the door be opened. We use be. Imperative sentence, we use be. Let the door be opened. Second, you are ordered to open the door. We use to here before the verb. You are ordered to open the verb. This sentence starts open the verb and we add to before the verb to open the door. Suggestion. Help the poor. Clearly, the sentence suggests. This is the sentence of suggestion. You make it in passive voice. The poor should be helped. Help the poor is in active voice. We change into passive voice. The poor should be helped. Third, please give me a pen. This sentence is request, imperative of request. So we change it into passive voice. You are requested. Please give me a pen. It will be in passive voice. You are requested to give me a pen. And last example. Take the chair kindly, comma, we use comma before kindly. Take the chair kindly. You are requested to take the chair. Okay, clear? And now we will see that in every sentence we do not use by agent. The sentence is completed without by agent. So we cannot use by agent. For example, native voice, the people of Bihar grow wheat. We change in passive voice. Wheat is grown in Bihar, not by the people. So this sentence is completed without by agent. So we cannot use by agent. Next example. The police caught a thief red-handed. We change into passive voice. A thief was caught red-handed. This sentence is complete. So we cannot use the police. The duty of police to catch the thief. So here we do not use by agent the police. Now कुछ सेंटेंस के बनावट टू बी होता है. टू बी, इसको हम पैसिव में चेंज करने के लिए क्या करेंगे? फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम लोग समझेंगे जहाँ पर से Ashok is to buy a pen. Here to, infinitive to buy. Here is use to for infinitive buy a pen. In passive voice, a pen is to be bought. Here we use be after to, and after be third form of buy. Ashok is to buy a pen. A pen is to be bought by Ashok. Next example, to clarify this sentence. he has to buy some new books. We change into passive voice. He has to buy some new books. We change some new books have to be bought by him. Clear? Okay. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.